Now let's go outside. Our Storm Cam 9 camera there shows a nice look from Rock City at Lookout Mountain. The camera turned a little bit more down into the valley than what we're used to there. David, a nice look, and it would have been a nice day to be up at Rock City.
Oh, absolutely. Low humidity still sticking around, but tomorrow that view changes a bit. Clouds start moving in, but still a dry day coming up. Very nice. Showers start arriving on Thursday and again on Friday. Not only the rain chances going up, wind speeds going up. Not to the extent of Francine to our west, but there'll be some gusts around 20 to 30 locally, higher amounts to the south, and even a few embedded storms Thursday night and Friday to keep an eye on. Temperatures right now mostly mid to upper 80s, right on par with the average high for this time of year. High pressure keeping us dry for now, but that cloud shield to the south starts inching our way overnight through tomorrow. So tomorrow, less sun and more cloud cover, but again, still mainly dry. Here's Francine edging off the Texas coastline and now moving north and east and could become a hurricane, or at least be at hurricane strength over the next 24 hours as it makes that landfall along the Louisiana coastline sometime around mid to early afternoon tomorrow. Right now, still a strong tropical storm, but expected to be at hurricane strength. The inland track takes us farther north across the state of Mississippi, all the while soaking that area with very heavy rain. The center of the storm, or at least the forecast cone, does not envelop us. But you got to keep in mind, we are east of the center. That means a pool of moisture moves our way and does provide us with much needed rain. So here's our future track going through overnight. Upper 50s, low 60s tomorrow morning. Some morning sun, then more clouds in the afternoon. Temperatures like today, mid to upper 80s, and again dry. Any rain holding off till very early Thursday morning. It's got to battle all that dry air. So off and on showers throughout the day. Thursday, a cooler day because of the clouds and showers. And it's going to be just kind of off and on bands of showers. And that breeze picking up from the east and southeast with some wind gusts stronger to the south. But keep an eye on late Thursday. The overall severe threat's low. But some of these bands that tend to rotate east of the center of a tropical storm tend to be strong at times. So we'll keep an eye on potential of some of those overnight Thursday night through early Friday. Once we're into Friday, we'll see the best chance of showers early, a little less later in the day. So it's not an all-day thing. And as the remnants of what's left of Francine moves farther away north and west, there'll still be showers Saturday, but not an all-day thing. Now, as far as severe weather threat, this takes us Thursday night. The higher chance is just to our south and west, but that's close enough to keep an eye on for some of those outer bands moving by late Thursday. We'll closely track that for you. For tomorrow, though, increasing cloud cover, highs mid-80s, a southeasterly breeze at 10. And we are alert Thursday, Friday because of the potential of the strong wind gust, heavy downpours of rain, and as I mentioned, Thursday night through early Friday, a few storms. After that, it's not all day Saturday, just occasionally a shower or storm, even lesser chances on Sunday.
All right, David, thank you. Now let's take a look at our News Channel 9.